My name is Leah Imler, and this is my portfolio website. My current focus is to showcase my knowledge and experience as a media professional, and the purpose of my portfolio website is to attract freelance clients rather than a single company. So my first asset is my logo, which is right here. I have an intention getter and all of my neuromarketing strategies. And this area definitely needs some work. The pictures do not flow nicely. Aside from that, there is a consistent font and color scheme. There is a clear call to action. This is my real email address, location, another call to action to subscribe. And then all of these links are currently working. They go to my personal pages, including my LinkedIn profile. On my projects and portfolio page, I have different projects that I completed at Full Sail University. The titles are relevant, they are downloadable. Here are some other assets that I created. I do need to change the titles right here of the actual photos. This is essentially the same as the top, so these are 3 separate projects, but I do have it twice. So this section needs to be edited. Some more visual assets. This could be combined with the above. Here are the websites that I created throughout my Full Sail career, and different storytelling platforms, and then of course video production. This right here, this is definitely more than 3 projects. These right here are stock media, so these would need to change. And then I have my resume here, which definitely needs to be updated with the media resume that I created. And then I have a blog that currently has nothing on it. My site is easy to navigate. There's a consistent theme throughout the entire website. It transfers across multiple devices successfully. It's easy to read. It's visually appealing. There's a clear focus. Just some of the actual content needs to be improved. And there are clear call to actions such as subscribing, and there's a book online for social media services. Of course, these would need to be tailored, and that's it.